Hi, I'm Doug with Mansfield Plumbing. Today I'm going to talk about replacing the red seal on the Mansfield rigid flapper. If you notice a slow leak of water from your toilet tank into the bowl, or if you hear the tank refilling on its own because the water level is dropping, what many people refer to as a ghost flush, the red seal is most likely the culprit. Replacing this seal is done the same way on both the Vanquish and Summit series. To remove it, you will reach down into the tank and grab a hold of each black ear on the rigid flapper. Pull up on the left ear, then the right ear until the flapper unsnaps from the flush valve body post. Grab a hold of the white thumb tabs and turn counterclockwise. Lift to remove the ring and to access the seal. Discard the old seal and replace with a new one. Place the red seal around the black ring in the center of the flapper. Place the white ring back on top of the red seal and align one of the 3 arrows with the black tab on the flapper. Grab a hold of the white thumb tabs on the ring, push down, and turn it clockwise until it stops. Once it stops, the ring is in place and holding the red seal into position. Put the flapper back over the post and press firmly on each ear until it snaps back onto the flush valve body post.